Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to download WhatsApp app on our phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to download WhatsApp app on our phone, first we'll be required to open the Play Store. And after opening your Play Store, guys, at the top of the screen you can see there is a search bar. Tap on it and type in WhatsApp and search for it, and it will appear like this, guys. Since I have already installed the WhatsApp Messenger on my phone, there is the open button available for me. But if in your case, if you have not installed, instead there will be a download button available over here instead of the open button, and you'll be required to tap on that download button, and it will be downloaded and installed on your phone momentarily. And after a few moments, your interface will be like mine, where it says the open and uninstall. And if you tap on open, you'll be able to log into your WhatsApp account from over here or sign up for WhatsApp. With that being said, guys, this is how to download WhatsApp app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.